Have you noticed the increase of influencers on YouTube and other platforms? Are you being influenced or manipulated? How would you know the difference? In this video, I'm going to share with you what is influence and what is manipulation and how you can spot the difference. Hi, my name is Anil Jaising. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance, an adjunct faculty with NYU's graduate program of project management, and an entrepreneur running Concepts and Beyond, a premier training and coaching company. I'm on a mission to help teams, leaders, and organizations drive product innovation and build profitable businesses. Subscribe to my channel for stories of innovation fueled by product management, business agility, and leadership topics. In a Harvard Business Review article, Ruchi Sinha, a psychologist and a professor, shares how senior executives in your company might be influencing you or potentially manipulating you. The article discusses leadership behavior, and depending on the leader, you might be influenced or manipulated. The line separating the two is very thin, but there is a difference. Influence is a person's capacity to have an effect on another person. You can influence family and friends to adopt honesty and fairness. And when you give them credit, you're influencing others to behave in the same way. Influence is not forcing others, but giving others the choice to be influenced by you. Manipulation, on the other hand, is handling and managing a situation skillfully to serve your goals. Manipulation could mean devious behavior to exploit and control others, using emotional and psychological tactics in an underhanded, abusive, and deceptive way. Ruchi Sinha shares several tactics that you can observe that demonstrate manipulation. The first one is casting self-doubt. If your colleague, boss, or family member verbally abuses you, criticizes you, or nags you, where they might make you question your own beliefs. The second one is superficial charm. If someone praises you, compliments, and gives you a lot of public recognition so that you can accept additional responsibilities. Number 3 is social comparisons. I've seen parents and managers do this a lot. They talk about the strength of others in front of you so you can follow the role model. Number 4 is misinformation. This is when somebody feeds you with misinformation about others to make you develop negative perceptions of them. The more they repeat the misinformation, the more it sounds authentic. Number 5 is cajoling. An influencer cajoling you into buying a course or a product from them because they think it's going to be valuable to you. You are the ultimate person that should decide if the product or service is valuable to you, and you should find more avenues to check their claims, read the reviews, and research on your own. So how do you develop skills to stop getting manipulated or get out of a manipulative relationship? 1 is collect evidence. Collect data from your own encounters and also others' observations. Base your evidence on experiences and facts. 2, trust your own instincts. Often when you're manipulated, you know it in your heart, but you often let go of that feeling when it arises because you're motivated to keep the relationship going. When you're confused or annoyed by that person, take it as a cue that you need to stop and deliberate. Eventually, manipulative people are everywhere. If you trust yourself and deliberate on what's happening, you will know whether you're being influenced or manipulated. I would like to highlight a new course I'm teaching called Certified Agile Leader. If you're interested in learning more about level 5 leadership, influence, and manipulation, and how it connects with Agile leadership, join my Certified Agile Leader course. This course is certified by Scrum Alliance, and it teaches you the skills that you need to be an Agile leader and how to develop them. I plan to run this course in January 2025, and it typically costs about $1,000 to attend and get certified. For a limited time, this course and certification is available to you at only $100, only if you attend this course and give me your honest feedback. When you sign up for the interest list, I'll send you the discount code to sign up for the course. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.